September 2nd, 2009, Minister for Religious Affairs Hamid Saeed Kazmi escaped an attempt on his life in the heart of the federal capital. He was injured, but his driver and guard died. A month or so later, Brigadier Moinuddin was not so lucky. He and his driver got killed. In both incidents, victims were gunned down by militants on motorbikes.
In addition to these static posts, police mobile patrolling is also being carried out. Random checking of buildings, random checking of areas, search operations are also being done. And in this regard, we are particularly focusing on such areas which are not regulated.
Numerous pickets and checkpoints all over the federal capital have not been able to prevent terrorists from reaching their targets. Recent target of the terrorists was Brigadier Wakar. He escaped unhurt. What are the police going to do next?
The best option, rather than having a deployment of a static police guard, is to have police mobile patrols, and then to make it difficult for any criminal to have access and to be able to afford an abode in Islamabad. If they are not able to sustain or survive here, then obviously such instances will not occur in future.
Authorities in Islamabad are faced with double challenge. They have to counter target killings and provide security to citizens and institutions, particularly the educational institutions. Educational institutions reopened a week after the twin suicide blast at the International Islamic University in Islamabad on 20th of September.
Business as usual should remain and should continue. There is no specific threat. We have also established, in consultation with Islamabad Police and AIG Special Branch, a system whereby if God forbid there is any threat or any alarm, we would share it with schools. So as far as that aspect is concerned, I think we are pretty much attending to it. And the schools also, the administration of schools also realize that they must normalize things, they must return to normal life, but at the same time enhance their security arrangements, and that is being done.
Pillion riding has been banned and the number of police pickets increased in Islamabad. In the search and chase operation, the police apprehended over 200 suspects in 7 days. But the perpetrators of the recent targeted attacks are still at large. Umer Draz, Dawn News, Islamabad.